Let's take a trip to nature. See, my family opened up this adventure park about a year ago, and today is the reopening for 2025. Because it's a family-owned thing, the whole family shows up, and it's always a good time. But the best part is when everybody else starts rolling in. You see all these different faces excited to ride ATVs, dirt bikes, and more. We're making sure that everybody who shows up feels like family and has a great time while they're here. This dream started with my parents while they were driving in their car, and has quickly turned into an adventure that's fun for everybody and hands down one of the best ways to spend a weekend.